Have you ever wondered if, somewhere behind those closed cockpit doors and smiling flight attendants, there's a secret list of perks airlines never want you to know about? Perks you could claim without spending a single extra dollar? What if I told you that your next flight could secretly turn into a mini 5-star experience, even if you're flying economy, simply because you know what to ask for and when? Most travelers walk on board thinking their ticket buys only a seat and maybe a drink. But seasoned insiders know there's a hidden world of free luxuries quietly offered to passengers who ask at the right time in the right way. For example, while everyone else settles for a tiny plastic cup of soda, you could be sipping an entire full-size bottle of sparkling water. Because yes, they carry them for medical hydration requests, and they can't refuse you if you genuinely need one. Did you know many airlines keep comfort kits stocked with blankets, pillows, socks, toothpaste, and even sleep masks, available not just for first class, but for anyone who politely asks before they run out? Flight attendants also carry hidden menu snacks, protein bars, chocolate, instant soup, even hot chocolate mix, reserved for long hauls, but often handed out if you mention you skipped a meal due to a tight layover. Ever seen those little birthday cakes in the galley? They're not just for premium cabins. If you quietly let them know you're celebrating, birthday, anniversary, even a new job, they'll often bring you one with a handwritten card signed by the crew. Here's a perk few people realize. Airlines stock passenger comfort upgrades when the cabin environment is too cold, hot, or noisy, which can include noise-canceling headsets, better blankets, or even relocation to a quieter seat. No points or money needed, just a well-timed request. Some carriers carry mini first aid kits with things like burn cream, pain relief patches, lip balm, or saline nasal spray. Completely free, but never announced publicly because it's considered upon request only. If you're traveling with kids, you can ask for kid distraction packs, bags filled with puzzles, stickers, coloring books, and even mini toys, often tucked away for when young passengers get restless. On overnight flights, some crews can even set up an empty row bed for you if the flight isn't full. Yes, they'll literally make a little mattress out of economy seats if you catch them during a quiet service window. Many airlines secretly allow onboard postcards, where you can ask for a branded postcard signed by the captain, stamped with the flight number and date, something aviation collectors value highly. For long-haul routes, certain carriers keep free skincare kits, face mists, lotions, and hand creams, meant for premium cabins, but offered to polite passengers who ask. On some flights, you can even request a small selection of duty-free chocolate or tea samples, items that can't be resold once opened, but are happily gifted instead of wasted. And if you're on a flight with seat-back entertainment, here's a secret. Crew members can sometimes unlock extra movies or games if you ask about crew access content, a hidden setting on certain systems. One of the boldest perks? If you're a nervous flyer, you can request a brief cockpit visit before takeoff or after landing. Many pilots are happy to give you a tour and even let you take a photo in the captain's seat when it's safe. And here's my personal favorite. On certain flights, if you politely ask the purser for special occasion champagne, they'll bring you an actual glass of bubbly from business class, even if you're sitting in economy. Airlines don't advertise these things because they'd be overwhelmed by requests. But the truth is, they exist for those who know. And now you do. So the next time you board, remember, there's a hidden first-class experience waiting for you if you have the confidence to ask for it.